Hello everybody. Today we will solve the numericals based on the spherical mirrors, particularly for the convex mirror today, as we have already discussed for concave mirror in our earlier sessions. Okay. So all of you are aware of the rules which we have discussed and the sign convention, how to put. Let us apply all these by using mirror formula and magnification formula for solving the numericals. That will be very much helpful. Let us see. So here the question is given, all of you write down. An object is placed at a distance of 10 cm from a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. 15 cm. Find the position and nature of the image. So we will write in terms of the format which you are already aware of it, which I told you to write in format every question. So what is that format in which you write given, to find, formula used, diagram, okay, and then put value in the formula and solve for the unknown as you are doing in the mathematics, and physics is applied mathematics, correct? So this is the format. If you apply this format, you will definitely get the solution for every numerical. So let us do this. So here we are reading the question first of all. First thing is to read the question carefully, first point, in the format. You see the format which you have written already in our earlier sessions. Okay, so we are reading the question. An object is placed at a distance of this much, distance from mirror of focal length this much, you have to find this. After reading, what you have to draw a diagram. After reading, it is clear that what type of mirror is discussed. You will write that is solution for convex mirror. Write like this first of all. Then what type of mirror is this? Clear. Then you draw the diagram. You know the diagram of convex mirror. Like this is the diagram. Okay. Here focus and center of curvature all lies behind the mirror. Okay, in case of the convex mirror, and focal length is positive, radius of curvature is also positive, object is placed on the left hand side. Now what is the given value? Given, how much is this given? Object is 10, distance of the object is 10 cm from mirror. So this is pole, object is placed at how much distance? 10 cm. So this is U, any object is placed. So this will be positive or negative? As it is on the left hand side, always it will be negative, as you are aware of the negative x-axis as New-Cartesian sign convention. Okay, so here given value U is equal to how much? 10 cm, and we will put minus sign, as even if it is not given minus in the question. After reading question, you will see the diagram where it is left or right on the axis. Accordingly, you can easily put the plus or minus sign for the given values. Next, what is given? From a convex mirror of focal length 15 cm. This small f is also given how much? 15 cm. Now you are aware in the diagram, focal length is always on the right hand side, so it will be always positive. So we will put plus sign here before the given value. Now you have to find the position. Position of image means which variable? The distance of the image from pole. We are using which variable for that? V. V we have to find, a small v. And nature of the image. So one thing is V, second thing you have to find the nature of the image. Okay, so let us do it one by one. So after this format, in this format, we will use the formula used. Which formula is used here? Mirror formula, 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. All of you are aware of this formula. So let us apply this formula for solving the numerical and put the given values in the formula. So let us do that. So here 1 by f is equal to 1 upon u. U is how much? Minus 10 cm, plus 1 by v is how much? You have to find, that is unknown, leave it as such. Now focal length is also given plus 15 centimeter. We will put here 1 by 15 centimeter. The plus sign is this one. 1 by minus 10 cm plus 1 by v. So you are solving for the v. So you can also write 1 by v is equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 10 cm, and you will take the LCM and solve it. For example, here 10 you get 2 is 30 as the LCM here, and you will put the values, solve it. Then how much we are getting here as 5 by 30 centimeter as 1 by v. So reciprocal of this v will be equal to 6 centimeter. So this is the value of unknown. We are able to solve like this. So what is required here? One thing to find small v, position of image. So v is the position of image. Where is the object image placed? 6 centimeter. It is plus or minus? Plus sign. Okay, here. What does it mean? It is behind the mirror. Always we are aware that it is behind the mirror, virtual and erect. So u is this. You can label in the diagram. This is minus 10. This distance is minus 10 centimeter. Distance of the u, focal length is 15. So this distance is 15 centimeter. It will be positive as it on the right hand side. Focal length, this is focal length from here to here, which is given 15 centimeter. And v we have calculated just now as 6 centimeter, which is also positive. So image is somewhere here. Okay, this is the image at 6 centimeter distance from the pole, as all the distance is measured from the pole, you are aware of it. So like this you can easily solve the numerical based on the spherical mirror or convex mirror. Here also, if it is required, if it is asked, for example, find the magnification, what will you do? We will apply the formula of the magnification also. We know that magnification is equal to minus v by u. Okay, so in this formula you put the given value. So m will be equal to minus, from the formula we will put minus, and now what is the value of v given? We have calculated just now 6 centimeter. You put here upon use how much? Minus 10 centimeter. You put it and then solve it. You will get as 6 by 10, which is equal to 0.6, and magnification has no unit. So how much time it is zoomed or reduced? So m is equal to 0.6 times the image is formed of that object. So like this, I think you can solve all the numericals which will be given to you as a worksheet based on this questions. Okay, and all the theoretical part earlier which we have discussed in other sessions, all of you keep on revising it, then you can solve easily these numericals. As once it is clear, then you can apply for case of the lenses also. So focus on the mirror, then easily you can solve for the lenses. Okay, rest we will do later on. Thank you very much.